Lists are HTML elements that allows us to handle array of data in the way that is the best for us. There are three different types of lists in HTML. There are unordered lists, ordered lists, and description lists. What are ordered lists? Well, ordered lists are HTML elements that allows us to handle array of data in ordered way. So with ordered lists, we can order our data numerically or alphabetically. There are 5 different types of ordered lists. So they are default case numerals, uppercase numerals, lowercase numerals, uppercase letters, and lowercase letters. Order lists start with OL start tag and ends up with OL end tag. List elements we represent through LI-HTML elements. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.